Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Audacity in laptop. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Audacity. Now hit enter and you will see some search results. Under these search results, navigate to the one that is titled Audacity, www.audacityteam.org. This is the Audacity's official website. Click on this website and this is going to load up the Audacity's page. On this page, you will see the download Audacity 3.6.1 button just right here. Or you can also click on the downloads button at the top. Now you can choose whether you want to download Audacity for Windows, 32-bit and 64-bit, Mac OS that is universal binary, or you can also use Audacity on Linux, 64-bit app image. So select the file that you want to download. In my case, I'm using Windows. So I'll click on Windows and I will see this page. On this page, I will scroll down and I can choose whether I want to download Audacity through 64-bit installer, 64-bit zip file, 32-bit installer, or 32-bit zip file. You can choose any one of these options according to your laptop's qualification, or you can just navigate to the top and click on the download button just after Audacity installer. When you click on download, this is going to download a setup on your laptop device. So after the download gets finished, you can simply navigate to your file explorer, click on the downloads button, and you will see a setup for MuseHub. Double click on this setup, click on yes. This is going to open up MuseHub on your laptop. Now, after the installation gets finished, you will see a MuseHub page opening up. Click on the apps button just under home and search for Audacity here. Now you will see Audacity under applications. Click on Audacity. Now click on the free button and this is going to download and launch Audacity automatically. So that's how you can download Audacity on laptop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video.